Hello students, hope you all are fine and staying away from Corona. And this is online tutorial about pre-release material May June, as we have already uh, shared with you, as I have shared with you already. And we will start the introduction part of task 1 first. Okay, hope you all remember this pre-release material I have shared in classroom already. The explanation part I couldn't take using classroom, so better I consider as a video tutorial will be better than normal classes, as well as it will be easy to recall about the explanation part. Okay, so before we get into the program, we will discuss how the software is going to be designed. Now, this is about mobile shop, range of mobile devices, SIM cards, and accessories, etc., as shown in the table. So here, before we execute, we will do a manual calculation. Okay, assume that you are a customer, you are planning to buy a clamshell mobile. Okay, phone. We have different categories, right? Phone, tablet, and the SIM card comes with accessories. Okay, a customer has planned to buy clamshell phone and pay as you go SIM card, luxury case, that is a case, and home charger. Okay, so when a customer buys all these products, and we have to find the total price as well, this is going to be the total. So better when you are viewing this, you can note it down. When you execute your program at first time, you are going to deal with these inputs. Okay, there is a clamshell, pay as you go, luxury, and home charger. Okay, now let's get into the task one. Before that, we should know how the arrays are going to be designed and what are the data are going to store. Now, we all know that previously we have did so many array programs. You will input the data during execution, right? So far you have did this during execution, but the table you are viewing here is a bit difficult. So each and every time you have to input these data will be complicated. So what we are going to do is, during the initialization of arrays, we are going to store all these data. What are the data? The item code shows here, and the description, price, and the data. So we are going to show these things at the initial stage of designing program. Okay, so that we don't have to input each and every time while we execute. Only once if you input, that means stores the data, so that is enough. That is what we are going to deal with. And let's get into task one. Here it is. Use appropriate data structure. Hope you all remember which data structure we have learned. What is that? Yeah, it's an array. The array data structure we have learned. And they didn't mention to input and store. They just mentioned to store the item code, description, and price information for mobile devices such as phone or tablets, SIM cards, and accessories such as, you all know that it is given that charger or a case. Okay, then once these data are stored, as it is shown here, allow the customer to choose phone or tablet, whether it is phone or tablet. Okay, so what we are going to do is, we are going to make two different arrays to store phone data and tablet data. Okay, that is the first thing. Then next part, allow phone customers to choose whether the phone will be SIM free or pay as you go. Here the table shows the SIM free SIM card is for $0 and pay as you go is for $9.99, right? Okay, then allow the customer to choose a standard or luxury case. Allow the customer to choose the chargers required, maybe none, one, or both may be purchased. So according to that, we have to design the program. Calculate the total price for this transaction. So here one example I have given. We have selection process of clamshell, pay as you go, luxury, and the prices total is here it is shown, right? Total price $125.97. Okay, then what else is remains? Yeah, output a list of items purchased and the total price. So this is task 1 is going to be. Okay, so task 2 and task 3 we will discuss later. That is a continuation of task 1. Here it is mentioned task 1 for each action, so that we will discuss later. First we will discuss about task 1. Before we are getting into the program, I want you to make sure that you are clear with what are the steps you are going to carry. Okay, these are the things. First you have to store the data as it is shown in the first point. Then allow the customer to choose whether they need to buy a phone or tablet. Allow phone customers, if they have phone customers, to choose whether the phone will be SIM free or pay as you go. Okay, so allow the customer to choose a standard or luxury case. Allow the customer to choose the chargers, and for the chargers one or both may be purchased. So these are the things we have to handle, and for that we are going to design the program. Okay, and hope you all remember that I have shared the array design of the table given here, right? These are the array design which you are viewing in the screen, and I hope you all remember that we are using just a very basic programming language. It supports array data structure, and here is the task 1 program. Okay, now we have this table, isn't it? Yeah, this table we have, and I have given a worksheet to identify what is the purpose of these arrays. And most of you, not most of you, very few students have given that correct answer after I give the sample answer. Now we all know that this is the array which stores the M stands for mobile, IC stands for item code. Since the item code is a string, we have to use dollar, right? And how many phone designs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is why I have created 6 arrays, right? Then dim M stands for mobile, DES stands for description. So that is also a string data type, so dollar, and for 6 mobiles. Then dim stands for dim M price, that is mobile price. Why didn't I give the dollars here? It is a number format, that is why I didn't give the dollar. Okay, so this is the array design which stores phone item code, that is mobile item code, mobile description, and mobile price. For how many phones? 6 phones. Hope you are clear with that. Then the next array used to store 4 items. So hope you will understand what is TIC, tablet item code, tablet description, tablet price, for 4 tablets. So up to this we have designed the array so far. Okay, then the next array used here is SIM card item code, SIM card description, SIM card price, and there are only 2 types of SIM cards, so 2. Okay, then finally 4 different accessories are there. Dim accessories item code, so 4 accessories, 2 cases, 2 charges. Dim accessories description, then dim accessories price, so 4 items. Hope it's clear. And this is creating an array. When you execute these statements, it will create a blank memory cells in a computer memory, and those cells are left it as blank till this. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to store the data, and we know that what is MIC. MIC is mobile item code, right? So here there are 6 mobile item code, and we are storing it here finally. Okay, here is that. First one is BPCM, second one is BPSH, RPSS, RPLL, IP, vice versa. Okay. So those 6 phone item codes are stored here, right? So my mobile item code of 1 in first location VPCM. So obviously the description is going to be here. Mobile description in the first location it is compact, second location clamshell. So we are storing all the data here. Okay. Then mobile price, mobile item code, mobile description, mobile price. Then what is this? Tablet item code, tablet description, tablet price. SIM card item code, SIM card description, SIM card price. Accessories item code, accessories description, accessories price. So with your permission, I'm typing with more elaboration. Home charger. Okay, so it will be easy to identify. Standard case, luxury case. Okay, so here just it is given standard luxury car home, but it says about charger and case. I have specified that, and this is the price of those. Okay, so this one I think I already shared with you all. Hope you all remember that. This is where the array declared and the data are stored. So once we stored all the data, once it has been stored in your computer memory, you don't have to input again and again while executing. Okay, so the further steps we will continue in the next video. Thanks to you all for watching this. Thank you.